the thickness. Right now, I can't remember how that goes. I got a rock. I got a chocolate bar. I got a peanut butter cup. I got some candy corn. I got a rock. So the previous church that we're going to, well, I thought that people would just warm up to it. I thought that I know it's different to go through changes. I thought, they'll get around to it. My family never actually got around to the new church. The well, the second to the previous church. Let's just say previous. And then the more I looked into them, I realized that we just don't vibe. The doctrine doesn't vibe with the way I read the Bible. So I had to seek something else. Had to continue the church search. Church search chapter 3 or 4, I think. And then when I found the church on the map, on the Bema map, it was like, that psalm where it says, "My heart leaps like a deer." It was sort of like that. It was like I was scheduled to go to this meeting on that Sunday morning with that church, and I was like, should I just blow them off? Should I just go to this Bema church? Like, I really wanted to go so bad. It was a complete fit. Fits like a glove. Guts in the storyteller. I mean, Guts in the Beautiful, rather. Not the storyteller. I'm sure that the storyteller is beautiful in his own way. But as for this discussion, Gutson, I want to know what you are having for lunch in Hawaii. Octopus? Octopus. I don't think you'd make that up. I don't think that would be... So, I heard a story about Jeff Bezos eating octopus for breakfast. He was about to acquire a new company, and he said, "You know what? I'm going to order the octopus." And then he proceeded to eat this octopus in front of the owner of this company who's going by, and he said, "You know what? You are this octopus. You are the thing that I don't know about and I must have. You are my breakfast octopus. My church has gone through a lot of changes. We left our denomination and now independent, and we have been growing so much. Oh, okay. Awesome. That is good. Yeah, that's one of the things that I liked about the previous church. I thought, oh, they're growing so much. They're growing in numbers, and people keep going to them, and there was. It's not necessarily. I mean, growth is good. Growth is usually a good sign, but it's not the only sign. It's not the only thing. You could. There are bad churches that are growing. Not to say, I'm sure yours is a good church. He said unknowingly. So one thing that they do not have is a song ministry. They don't have a song leader. So when I told he's not a pastor, so I can't call him a pastor. But when I told him that my daughter is taking music education, he was like, "Really? Music education? How old is she?" Like, she's in college. Cool your jets. I haven't told him yet that I've led a song or two in my day. So we're not even members yet. So taking over the song ministry is not the first thing we're going to do the very next time we show up there. If I've learned anything in my almost 10 years in youth ministry, that the numbers are one of the last things to think about. Yeah, well, where were you when I... That's wisdom right there. That's wisdom about things that I was not wise about before.